The Libbs and InEvent partnership transformed Libbs Convention into an even more digital and interactive event. Libbs, a pharmaceutical industry with over 60 years of history, held the 7th Libbs Convention for 1,000 employees. The convention lasted around 14 days and took place at the Barcelo Bávaro Palace in Punta Cana. During the entire process, attention was focused on the success of the event organization and the attendees' experience with the event app. There were a number of challenges to be solved by InEvent. How to ensure that each of the 1,200 attendees defined their own agenda of activities in the official event app. The definition of an agenda with close to 150 activities should be completed by each attendee at least 2 weeks before the event. It was also necessary to certify attendees' compliance with the activities. It was necessary to filter the agendas so that each employee had access only to the activities of his corresponding work area and job title. Using artificial intelligence resources present in the algorithm developed by InEvent, it was possible to identify people who didn't finalize their own activities agenda, and thus, activities suggestions were made for the attendees to complete their week, making the process much simpler and more productive. Libbs had access to a complete software that enabled the event management on a single platform and the follow-up of each participant in a personalized way, with data for further analysis.
What I liked most about the platform is that it was pretty much in our hands. Changes are made in real time. Before InEvent's platform, we had to pass information to the supplier to make the changes. With InEvent, we're able to make the changes in real time and without relying on the internet. The feedback from the attendees is very positive.
We were able to integrate the entire agenda and all logistics. Information that wasn't organized, we managed to centralize with InEvent's platform. It has several functionalities. InEvent's team was very supportive.
A tool that brought us several benefits, several improvements, especially in building the agenda to organize activities, groups, and allocate people. It also helped us in the logistics part, where each attendee had flight and all information available in a very easy and clear way. Just compliments from the staff, and it was great to work with InEvent.
Logistics, itineraries, and choice of rooms were simplified with InEvent Hospitality. Information on lodging, location, and timetables could be monitored individually with a mobile phone. All communication was made through the event app, from the activities agenda to pre-event information such as the issuance of a single voucher for each attendee with itinerary, flight number, and accommodation. Engagement initiatives were made possible with a corporate newsfeed and segmented push notifications. Prior to the convention, Libbs internal teams received training on how to use the event management platform. Also, InEvent was present on site to support the organization during the convention. The entrance access control was synchronized with InEvent software that has IoT technologies for data tracking and following attendee activities in real time. The success of InEvent's and Libbs' partnership resulted in an attendee approval rating of 100% of the event app. More than 400,000 data exchange, 700 image and video posts created, and 4,000 likes.
We've been able to create a great environment and atmosphere of work. This reflected here in the convention with the surveys that were made, with 100% platform approval. So I have to praise the whole team, not only for the development of the platform, but for the relationship and interaction that we had.
I think the most important thing was the partnership with InEvent from the beginning. Being able to work not in a customer and supplier relationship, but as a unique team that brings success to the project and to the convention. Having the InEvent's customer service team to provide us support, not necessarily in development, but in understanding the problems and seeking for the solutions, this was critical to our success.